Okay, so you know that you can have multiple YouTube channels on the same Google account. So today I'm going to show you how to actually manage to create another YouTube channel on the same Google account. So once you've loaded up youtube.com, you tap on your profile. You can either go in on your settings down here or in the YouTube studios. But I'm gonna go on settings because it's easier and it takes less time to do. So once you've gone on settings here, you can see my channel, and then right below that you can see a create a new channel. So I'm gonna press that and just give it a random name. And so then you can pick whatever picture you want as your profile picture. But I'm not gonna do that now, so I'm just gonna do this, have my name, username, and now I'm going to press create channel. And so it's going to load a little bit, and then here you can see, easy as that, your new channel is created. Now you can start creating videos on your new channel. That was it for this video. If you found this helpful, please consider liking this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you liked it. See you on the next one.